outset, I'd like to thank the Chief Minister of Punjab and his team for inviting me and the team to Chandigarh for this Military Literature Festival. The forlorn look on the face of the Pakistan Prime Minister and the blank faces on the military leadership, they said it all. There was no larger narrative required from the Indian media than what was conveyed through this particular graphic that appeared on 26 February itself. So why should the National Command Authority get together in case, as they had said, no damage had been caused?
Why would the National Command Authority convene if no damage happened? I'm astonished that this question has to be asked.
This is synonymous to a repair work which has happened. To the right is the enlarged view of the trainees hostel where another one spice hit. You can see the black patch. Again, there is no shadow if you look at the sun angle. This is a proper hit which has been repaired.
As you can see, we see that my panelist, Sivir Joshi, has just put it on his Twitter account. The damage can be seen in open source media. We can see the clean roof, the roof with holes, and the hole is repaired.
The immediate analysis using satellite imagery, not 10 days after, does not show the damage that we have been presented today.
RT intercept of a search and rescue helicopter in the area, which sir has just confirmed. It had no business of flying the way or being in that area, except for the fact that it was on a proper mission. You have fighters flying over it, missiles flying over it. Nobody takes off, mind you. Not even the US Air Force does that.
Of course, the Mi-17 helicopter was dispatched on a proper search and rescue mission, not by the PF, but by the Indian Air Force to rescue the downed Su-30 pilots, and in the bargain got shot down by the brilliant Indian Air Defence. As very rightly said by the Speaker, that you never launch a rescue in the midst of an air combat when the missiles are flying over your head. And not even USAF does that, cause they are wise, which the Indian leadership is definitely not. After losing a Su-30 and a MiG-21 to brave PF pilots, IAF, in complete chaos, fratricide one Mi-17, killing 6 of their own men. I feel sorry for them.
They lost an F-16 too. Our troops have seen 2 aircraft going down. Parachutes were seen at 2 separate places. Open source videos confirmed 2 objects at 2 different places falling from the sky.
And I'm going to say this clearly, and I rarely say this. I will say with 100% certitude, there was no F-16 struck down. The videos, we are told, came from Nowshera. You may not know this. People in Nowshera don't speak Punjabi. The video all show people speaking very tame Punjabi. Oh, kitne bande hain? Wo 2 bande hain, 3 bande hain, oh, kitne parachutes hain? No one in Nowshera speaks like this. This raises questions about the provenance of that video.
Our boys did the right thing, the right tactics, honed over 10 to 15 years of last, whatever has been done in the IAF against building up tactics against AMRAAM. And last but not least, our boys validated those tactics against AMRAAMs.
Having over 250 Su-30s on its inventory, the Indian Air Force, as mentioned by the Speaker, deployed only 2 Su-30s, and that too on the day when the threat of retaliation by Pakistan was maximum. Moreover, the intelligent commanders of Indian Air Force deployed the Su-30s in combat air patrol only to validate their combat tactics against the AMRAAM. Wow! Does it make sense?
Gentlemen, this is about combat. There are no points for second place.
Swift retort sent a message. The PF missed his targets. The weapon dropped at a distance of up to 1.5 kilometers from important military installations, well within the danger zones of these bombs.
The Indian Air Force expected Pakistan to actually throw the bombs on non-military targets, which they did.
हम चुप थे कि बर्बाद ना हो जाए गुलशन का सुकून, नादां ये समझ बैठे कि हम में कुव्वत ललकार नहीं है। इसको अब हम कंपेयर करेंगे जो एक्चुअल वेपन की वीडियो है उसके साथ। आप देख सकते हैं ये टारगेट इमेजरी है, ये तस्वीर एक्चुअल वेपन की तस्वीर है और आप इन दोनों को आपस में मिला सकते हैं। Now this is the actual clip of the bomb which is being directed towards this target. The pilot was asked to take picture of the whole target which indicates his final control over the weapon, and in the end you will see he'll guide it towards the left side, पहाड़ी के अंदर uninhabited जगह पे, और वहाँ पे impact के वक्त ये वीडियो ख़त्म हो जाएगी।
Let me clarify that the Balakot operations and the air defense response on the 27th of February are still classified. Hence, I am not going to go into technical details on what and how it was done, because it's coming from my mouth, it is taken as a gospel truth.
I must say, I dare say, that the IF did not give a good account of being prepared in the electromagnetic spectrum, and they actually came back. Why? Because the PF had better EW jammers.
We lost a MiG-21 who crossed over in his exuberance to get a kill. They lost an F-16 too. Our troops have seen 2 aircraft going down.
एक और झूठ जो उनका था, उन्होंने पाकिस्तान का एक जहाज़ अभिनंदन ने गिराया, जिसके लिए उसको शायद तमगा दिया या शायद किसी और चीज़ के लिए दिया, मुझे नहीं पता। लेकिन अगर उन्होंने जहाज़ गिराने पे दिया तो आज मैं आपको सच बता दूं उसकी कहानी। जब हमने इस जहाज़ के रैकेज की असल जगह पे तस्वीर ली तो आपको नज़र आ रहा है इसके ऊपर बाकी सारे मिसाइल साइडों पे पड़े हुए थे। आप अगर देख सकें यहाँ पे भी पड़े हुए हैं, यहाँ पे भी पड़े हुए हैं, इर्द गिर्द बिखरे हुए थे। एक मिसाइल जहाज़ के साथ था जो उसके साथ जल गया। इस मिसाइल को जब हम देखते हैं क्लोजअप से तो ये उसका टेल सेक्शन है। जब तक ये लॉन्चर से ना निकले तो ये मिसाइल फायर नहीं होता। ये वो मिसाइल है और इसका ये टेल सेक्शन आप देख सकते हैं एग्जैक्टली वही इनके लॉन्चर के साथ लगा हुआ है। 4 मिसाइल थे इस जहाज़ के ऊपर, 2 इस तरह के थे जिनको R-73 कहा जाता है और 2 R-77 मिसाइल्स थे। ये एक जहाज़ से टूट के गिर गया और दूसरा जहाज़ पर लगा हुआ। इसके बारे में इंडियन मीडिया हमेशा ये कहता है कि जहाज़ ये मिसाइल फायर हुआ और इसने एक जहाज़ को गिराया पाकिस्तान में। आप इसको दूसरी तरफ से भी देख सकते हैं, ये वही मिसाइल का टेल सेक्शन है। जब तक ये फायर ना हो मिसाइल जहाज़ को नहीं छोड़ता। ये उसका सामने वाला हिस्सा है जो गिर गया था, R-73 लेफ्ट विंग और राइट विंग। और ये वो चारों मिसाइल हैं जो हमारे पास है। ये चारों मिसाइल इस वक्त हमने अपने पास रखे हुए हैं। कोई इंडिपेंडेंट एनालिस्ट इसको आके देखना चाहे तो दे आर अवेलेबल विद अस।
मैंने कहा इतने क्राउड है, बारिश हो रही है, तो एक बेनिफिट है कि हम राडार से बच सकते हैं।
Some weapons were not successful. The debriefs were hindered by cloudy on 26th and 27th.
The venerable MiG-21 earned the distinction of shooting down the vastly superior F-16.
They lost an F-16.
I will say with 100% certitude, there was no F-16 struck down. No F-16 struck down. No F-16 struck down. No F-16 struck down.